Good evening and welcome to this week's special presentation entitled The Easy Rider Rides Again. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, and it's my pleasure to bring your presentation this evening. The beautiful thing I like about this presentation and looking at that thumb is that there's a person riding a motorcycle on a smooth road heading into the sunset. And this presentation will give you an opportunity to put you on that smooth path or that smooth road to put your portfolio in the path of profitability in an easy way. That's what the Easy Rider is all about. And it's using one of the most underutilized parts of the VectorVest software, which is probably the daily color guard report. Folks, we spend a lot of time to prepare you for the upcoming day after telling you about what happened in the current day so that you can make better decisions to put your portfolio or put your path on and navigate a good, smooth path to profitability within your portfolio. And this was something that was created by Dr. DeLito a long time ago, back in 2011. And we've talked about it a few times. As a matter of fact, as you look here, we spoke about it 5 different times over the last few years or so, starting back in 2011. The first presentation was January 28th of 2011, then 2/4 of 2011, 2/25 of 2011, 3/25 of 2011, and it has been a while since we've done it. It was back on 5/3 of 2019, so we thought it was something that might be in the back of some of your minds, but maybe many of you may not have even heard about it, so this is a good time to bring it to the forefront. Now, the beautiful thing about this is no matter whether the market is bullish or bearish, it will provide you with what you need to keep you and navigate you through any market's conditions in an easy way, utilizing what we show in our Derby 1-day and 5-day winners every single day. Now, when I talked about Dr. DeLito initiated this back in 2011, back on 1/28/2011, I'm going to show you an excerpt from that views called The Easy Rider by Dr. DeLito. Some of the most important and valuable information you can get anywhere is given each day right here in the VectorVest views. Well, how valuable might that information be? Simply take a look at this week's special presentation or strategy of the week. It could mean a lot to you over the weeks and months ahead. And at that date or on that date, Mr. James Penner was talking about that special presentation. And it's an end of day trading technique using the 1 and the 5-day Derby winners. And I think that that will suit a lot of our subscribers on an end-of-day basis. Strategies that produced excellent results, and I like it a lot and hope you will too. So visit the VectorVest University to see Mr. Penner's illustrate how to turn information into action. So the information that we give within the daily color guard report, within the views every night, is actionable, and you can take that action to become an easy rider. All right, let's get right into the VectorVest software. And right here from the home page, let's start off with what's going on. And, well, you know something? Let's get some market timing, because market timing predicates everything that we do. So we're going to go to the graphs. We're going to start off by changing the stock graph to a market timing graph. We're looking at end of day. This is our standard VectorVest graph, looking at the VectorVest composite shown in candlesticks, and we are looking over the last year. The market timing that we're going to use for this presentation is the confirm call. Now, a lot of you will jump up right away and say, well, what if I want to use the do? What if You can use whatever you want, but for the purposes of giving you a basic understanding of how this principle or technique works, let's keep it to the simple. The slowest, most conservative market timing call, not designed to get you out at market tops or in at market bottoms, but it is designed to help you to make money from a very conservative perspective. And that's the market timing call that we're going to use. So we're going to come back here to November, and we're going to go to November 22nd when we got a down call. The market since then overall has been down, but we've had some up opportunities, and we're going to see how this technique can help navigate you on the smooth road to become an easy rider. So once we've got the date, Now we've got to use the views. Let's go to the views and let's go back to 11/22 of 2021. Simply click in the date box and we're just going to simply kick the back arrow, go back to 2021. There's November 22nd. Boom. All right, very clearly shown there. Let's go down to the bottom and let's look at the 1 and the 5-day Derby winners. Now, on that date, where were we? We had just got a confirmed down call, so we should be paying attention to the downside. But notice, the 1-day winners were all bullish, and only 2 of the 5-day winners were bearish. So the biggest thing that you need to look for when utilizing this technique is matches in the both of them, but in the direction of where you want to go. So if there's nothing in the bearish side, I'm not going to have a match for an easy rider. Let's take it up one more day. Click in the date box. Let's go to 11/23, the day after. Now, we know what this does is also makes you not blindly do anything. You're looking for confirmation that matches up with the market timing and searches for you to hone in on. So if I go here, 1-day winner, No Mo Mojo, 11.92% in 1 day. And then on the 5-day, we have No Mo Mojo inverted, 19.76% on the 5-day. Now you'll say, well, there's a difference in the names. Yes, there are. But you know something? If No Mo Mojo for the most part is coming up, there's probably a stock or two in there that's moving the search overall. So we're going to go with the original search, which is No Mo Mojo, even though we have a No Mo Mojo inverted. Nonetheless, the technology or the technique shows us that we do have a match to the downside. And notice that was the only 5-day winner that was bearish. So we're going to take it. No Mo Mojo. So let's go back to find that search on 11/23 when they matched. We'll go to the unit search tool. We're going to find No Mo Mojo in searches short, and we're going to go back to 11/23. I've already got it set up for you by clicking into the date box, looking at 11/23, run the search, find the top 10 stocks on that date. Now, I'm going to do a quick test of the top 10 stocks. Here's the quick test from 11/23 all the way up until current. Remember, these are short stocks. Wow, they're still making money. Down 44%. If I'm shorting, that's the plus for me. The market is down 20%. This is doing a heck of a job, and the 1 and 5-day winners found it, and it's doing a great job. But we got in on market timing. We have to get out on market timing. So I'm going to click in the date box. What was the date that we got the up call? It was on 3/29 of 2022. So I'm going down to the end date, 3/29. All right. And now I'm going to click on OK. Now let's do the test again from the date that we had the matches to the confirmed up call. Run the test. 38%. Wow, that's not half bad. Now, that's just selling and holding. Selling them on the day that we got the match, holding them all the way up to March 29th when we got the up call. 9 out of the 10 stocks made money. Remember, folks, we are shorting, so we want these stocks to go down in price, and boy, did they. But the bad thing about this is that it's got no sense of stops. It's just sell and hold. So let's do something a little different. We're still going to maintain these dates. We're still going to maintain this search, but let's go add some stops to it. So let's go back to the software, and we're going to go to the back tester. We're going to set up a back tester utilizing the same search over the same time period, but let's throw some stops in there to make it more realistic, right? We're going to click on new, and we're going to name this 001 ER for Easy Rider, and the date is 11/23/22, all the way up to the up call of 3/29/22. I made a mistake, didn't I? I sure did. It was back in 21. So 11/23 of 2021, all the way up to the up call of 3/29 of 2022. Now, let me show you how to set this up for your purposes here. First thing you need to do, go down to the test period. Let's change it to reflect the dates that we want. All right, 11/23, not the 22nd because we didn't get the matches into the 23rd. And the end date is the up call on March 29th. Bingo. Now, let's put some stops in here. Let's go build a custom trading system. Because we already have the dates, we're not using a confirmed call. We're not using market timing. You'll understand that a little bit later. I've already got my time period. So because I'm looking at it in a confirmed down call, if I was doing this in real life on a confirmed up call, I'm getting out. And I'm looking for the next one by way of the views. I'm looking for the next match by way of the views, all right? So that's why we're not using market timing. Under the automation rules, well, we're going to be short on this campaign, right? So we're going to click on sell short. Where's the search? It's found under search is short. Let's go find Nomo Mojo. Okay. There we go. Stop criteria. Well, if these are sell recommended stocks, what's a great stop to get out of? Well, what if these stocks get to be a buy recommendation where they're no longer a sell? That's a great time. That means the stock is going against me if I'm shorting it. That's a great time to get out. And guess what, folks? You'll only find that stop in the VectorVest software. All right, let's go into more settings. I want to maintain 10 stocks, but during my campaign, I don't want to automatically replace. Uncheck that. Now that I'm set, I click on finish. Double check my dates, 11/23 to 3/29. I'm looking at shorting, Nomo Mojo, recommendation equal buys, 10 positions, don't automatically replace. All right, I'm happy. Let's click on finish and run. Wow, so we had 38% on the quick test with no stops. Putting in stops, we got 36%. Look at the max drawdown, though. Let's see if we can work on that in an upcoming test. All right, 16%, but man, annualize out to 106%, 90% winners. Woo, you can't beat that. And that's just using the 1 and the 5 day winners. All right, let's take this a step further. Let's go back to the graphs. And on 329, we got an up call, right? So let's go see. Now, we didn't know that this was going to happen. So that it was a short turn, but I'm still going to show you how to go through this as it's happening without knowing that this is going on. All right, let's go to 329 of 2022. Let's go to the views. 329, that was the next up call of 2022. Bingo. Let's go see what's going on. Here's the 1 in the 5 day winner. So we got a confirmed up call. We should be bullish, right? And let's go see what happens. Confirmed up call and bullish, bullish, bullish. Everything is there. Do we have any winners? Marijuana stocks, bottom fishing. Nope. Crypto. Nope. Marijuana magic. Nope. NPM analyzer. Nope. So there's no matches. Again, this makes sure that no matter the market is going good, we got the confirmed up call, but I don't have any matches in here. All right, let's go to the next date. Let's go from 329 to 330. Now what's going on? Primary wave still up. Confirmed up call. Bearish. We got all bearish on the 1 days and all bullish on the 5 days. Again, no matches. It keeps us on the sidelines to make sure that we're buying in this case, buying into the right side. Let's go to the next date, which would be 331. Let's go see what's here. Bottom fishing, buying contras, Nomo Mojo, mini rockets, ballistic. We got ballistic new highs. All right, so we got ballistic new highs here. We've got ballistic new highs here. Let's go see what else is going on in the market. Whoa. So we do have the matches, but what has happened? We got a primary wave down. That doesn't make me feel comfortable to pull the trigger on this search yet. The primary wave tells me that the market is going down on a week-over-week basis. Even though we have a confirmed up call, I like the methodology to make sure that we're good to go. I'm not ready to pull the trigger on that match yet because the primary, you never want to invest against the primary wave. All right, let's go up another day. Let's go to 4-1. Oh, I like walking you through this, folks. All right, what's here? Let's go up market, and this is a Friday. So let's scroll down. Where's the 1 in the 5 day winners? There we go. What do we have? Daily boomers. Look at that. Daily boomers is both in the 5 day and in the 1 day. I like it. All right, so I got my match. Let's go make sure we're good to go. Primary wave is back up. Now I'm back on course. So 4-1, we're going to set up another back test for 4-1, and that's going to take us up until the confirmed down call of 412. So we're going to go from 4-1, that's where we got the match and everything is good to go, all the way up to 412. Let's go set that up. We'll go up to the back tester. We'll click on new. We'll name this 002 Easy Rider Daily Boomers. And the date is 4/1/22 to the down call, which is going to be on 4/12/22. All right, I'll set this up for you and we'll come right back. All right, folks, so we set this up. 002 Easy Rider Daily Boomers 4/1/22 to 4/12/22. I've already set this up for us. Here's our test date, 4/1 to 4/12. We're looking at daily boomers. And in this case, for an up call, how about simple 30% gain, 10% loss, just so that we can continue to check that out. Remember, we're not using market timing. Here's the search, 30% gain, 10% loss, more settings. We want 10 positions, but we're not automatically replacing. All right, now that we're ready, we'll click on finish. Let's run it. Now remember, we looked in the market. We had a little bit of a whipsaw. Ooh. All right. Down 2.33%. Well, from 4/1 to 4/12, looking at the top stocks from Daily Boomers, it's a little bit down. But it's a little bit down. It's a little bit down. And you know something? I don't mind being a little bit down as long as I'm not taking on a whole bunch of bad losing trades. That's what stops are for. That's why we use the 30-10. A little bit under the water. But remember, the first one was nicely above the water. We're still ahead of the game if we're adding these up, right? We're still ahead of the game. All right, let's go set up the next one. Let's go to the graphs. All right, so that was there. Then we got the down call. The down call was on 4/12. All right, let's go look at the let's go look at the views on 4/12. All right, 4/12. Bring that over to confirm down call. Let's go see what the views are telling us. Let's go up. So what should we be doing? We should be to the downside. We got the confirmed down call. So we play into the downside. Mixture here of bullish and bearish. No, only one bearish search, and that's Vern's Vultures, and it's not matched up down here. All right, that's fine. No matches. Let's go up to the next date. Let's go to 4/13. 4/13. All right, all bullish on the 1 days, a mixture on the down day, on the 5 day. Well, we're not going to find a match because we're looking to be bearish, right? Let's go to 4/14. I love this, that it's making sure that you're doing what you need to do. Now, let's go down. Let's go find the one in the 5-day winners. There we go. Now we got a lot more bearish going on. And this is on 4/14. Doug's Downers. Bingo. Doug's Downers. Bingo. There we go. Now, is anything else in here? No, you know something? Doesn't matter. We found Doug's Downers on 4/14. All right, let's go handle it again. Doug's Downers on 4/14. And when was the next confirmed up call? The next confirmed up call was on July 29th. So 4/14 to July 29th. All right, let's go set that up. Let's go to the back tester. Let's click on new. Let's make this a new one. 003 ER for Easy Rider. This one is looking at Doug's Downers. Doug's Downers. And the date is 4/14/22 to 7/29/22. All right. I'll set this up for you. First thing we need to do, remember, go to our test period. Always start off there. And let's go to 4/14/2022, 4/14, and the end date is 7/29. There's the up call. All right, I'll set this up. We'll be right back. All right, so now I've got it set up for you. Remember, that's the naming configuration, 414, 729. There's our date. Down, remember, got to make sure 414 to 729. Let me show you what I did. We're not using market timing. The search that we're using is Doug's Downers. We are shorting it. And in this case, you know, instead of waiting for the recommendation to be equal or buy, how about we get out of it a little faster? Recommendation not equal to sell. So as soon as it moves to a hold, we get out of it. Let's see if that helps us with our drawdown on the downside, okay? And on the more settings, I still want to maintain 10 stocks, but I don't want to automatically replace. We'll click on finish, finish and run it. So far, we're up 36% on one campaign. We're down 2.3 on another campaign. Now look at this. We're up 27%. And look at that drawdown on the downside. Look at that. I'm feeling that. That's good. 80% winners. The first short that we had was 90% winners. Man, is this finding that smooth path. All right, let's go find out what happened on 729 when we got the up call. Let's go up. Well, start from the graphs. There it is, 729. We got another up call. Let's go to the views. Do this again. Views. Let's go to 729. There we go. Click on OK. What was in the views? 729. What was in the views? 1 and 5 day winners. What's here? So what are we? We are in a confirmed up call. We need to be bullish. Daily, look at that. We got winners. Daily boomers, percent price change. Daily boomers, VST. Daily boomers, percent price change. Look at that. Daily boomers, percent price change is in both on 729. All right, let's go set it up again. Let's go to the back tester. Let's go click on new. 004. Oops, 4. Easy Rider. This one is Daily Boomers. Daily Boomers percent price change. And the dates are 7, 29, 22, 2, 8, 26, 22. That was the next down call we had. All right. And I'll set this up. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. There's the naming convention, Daily Boomers percent price change, 729.22 to the next down call, which is going to be on 8/26/2022. Let's go customize it real quick. Still not using market timing. We're buying long. Search is price volume, Daily Boomers, percent price change, stop criteria, long. We're going to just go with a 30-10. More settings. Try to maintain 10 stocks, but we're not automatically replacing closed positions. All right, we're good to go. We got our date set. Let's run it, finish and run it, and let's go see what happens. So far, one campaign, 36%. Next campaign, lost 2.3%. Next campaign after that, 27%. And here's another one, up 21%. Look at that drawdown. Now, only 50% winners, but we made 21% in about little less than a month. Whew, gotta love that. Man, you gotta love that. Look at the equity curve, looks good. And now, what do we do now? Well, let's go back to the market timing graph. Let's look at what's going on right now. We got a down call that occurred on 8/26/2022. Let's take it to the hilt, folks. All right, let's go to the views tab. 8/26. Man, taking you all the way up into right now. 8/26. Down call. What's the views saying? Let's go down to the 1 and the 5 day. So we are in a confirmed down call. Where's the primary wave? Confirmed down call. We're good to go. 1 day winners. In the 5 day winners. How about we got sinking sectors? sinking sectors 2 and sinking sectors. I'm willing to take that. And I'm going to go with the original search, which is sinking sectors. Why not? It's moving in both of them. I'll take it. All right, we're down. We got a mixture in the 1 and the 5 days, but this stands out as sinking sectors. Let's rock and roll with it. Let's go to the back tester. Let's go set this up. 005 easy rider. And this one is sinking sectors. Sinking sectors. The date is 8/26/22 to current. Let's take it to right now, folks. To current. I'll set this up for you. We'll be right back. All right, folks, here we are. It's set up for us, 8/26 all the way up into right now, current. ER, sinking sectors, 8/26 to 8/26, should be 8/26, there we go, to current. Let's customize it. No market timing. Again, the cool thing about not using market timing, we know what situation we're in when we get in. We are selling short with sinking sectors. Again, I like that recommendation, not equal to sell. If the stock goes from a sell to a hold, it automatically comes out. More settings, try to maintain 10 stocks and do not automatically replace. We'll click on finish and let's see what this looks like. All right, so 8/26 up until right now. Look at that, we're up 5%. Look at that drawdown, 70% winners. Holy smokes, folks. That's it in a nutshell. So, folks, from the standpoint of having the easy rider, I walked you through the process of setting up a back test and showing you how each campaign is working along the way. Only one losing campaign, and that was in a situation where we got very quickly back and forth between an up call and a down call. But overall, folks, the ease of what we're doing here, the confirmation of what we're doing here, the searches being provided for you out of all of the searches that we have within the VectorVest software being provided for you and put at your fingertips, you can't beat that. So folks, hopefully you like the idea on being able to become an easy rider, navigate the path on a smooth ride, just riding into the sunset, building profits in your portfolio. Folks, it was my pleasure to give you a presentation this evening. And until the next time, see ya.